If you want to get into customer support, the path is actually much clearer than most people think, if you understand how it progresses. A lot of people see customer support as just an entry level job, but it can actually lead all the way to leadership roles like head of customer experience or even chief customer officer. So I created this visual roadmap that shows a realistic path from your first support role all the way to leadership. The way this works is pretty simple. You start with the fundamentals, then get your first role, then improve your performance and learn tools, then choose a path, move into senior roles, then management, and eventually leadership. Think of it like a skill tree. You unlock the next stage as you gain experience in the one before it. The first step is learning support fundamentals. This includes communication skills, empathy, problem solving, and understanding how to handle customers. Customer support is not just about answering questions, it's about understanding problems and helping people effectively. Once you understand the basics, the next step is getting your first role. This is usually something like a customer support agent or customer service representative, where you'll be handling tickets, chats, emails, or calls. This is where you start gaining real world experience with customer support. At the same time, you'll need to learn the tools used in support roles. This includes help desk tools like Zendesk or Intercom, internal documentation systems, and sometimes CRM tools. Being efficient with these tools can make a huge difference in your performance. After that, the focus shifts to improving your performance with customer support. So, improving things like response time, resolution rate, and customer satisfaction scores, they become very important. And so, this is where you move from just doing the job to actually getting good at it. And at this point, most people naturally move into one of two paths. The first is technical support, where you deal with more complex technical issues. The second is customer success, where you focus more on relationships, retention, and helping customers succeed long term. Both paths can lead to French leadership, but this type of work is different. So, after gaining experience, you can move into more senior roles. This could be something like a senior support specialist or a senior customer success manager. Here, you handle more complex cases, mentor others, and take on more responsibility. From there, the next step is management. You might become a team lead or support manager where you manage people, improve processes, and ensure the team is performing well. This is where your focus shifts from solving problems yourself to helping others solve them. Finally, you move into leadership roles like head of customer experience or similar positions. At this level, you are responsible for the entire customer journey, from support to retention to overall experience. And at the very top, roles like Chief Customer Officer focus on company wide strategy and customer success. So, some common mistakes people make in customer support careers is they stay stuck doing repetitive work without improving. They ignore tools and systems which can slow them down. They don't specialize or choose a specific direction. And most importantly, they underestimate how important communication skills really are. So, growth in this field comes from improving how you work, not just doing more work. When it comes to a realistic timeline in customer support careers, it might look something like this: 0 to 1 year, learning the fundamentals and getting your first role, 1 to 3 years, working as a support agent and improving performance, 3 to 5 years, moving into senior roles, or specialization. 5 to 8 years stepping into management, and beyond that, moving into leadership roles. Of course, this varies depending on the company and your growth, but this is the general path and timeline. So, if you want to succeed in customer support, focus on three things. Communication, how you talk to people, matters a lot. Problem solving, understanding and resolving issues effectively, and systems thinking, understanding how processes and tools work together. Customer support is one of the best entry points into tech and business, but it rewards people who continuously improve. So I built this roadmap as an interactive skill tree so you can actually follow it and track your progress. If you want to use this roadmap yourself or create new ones, I'll put the link in the description so you can try the template.